Hey there, Tim and A or Tuma back at you. So today's video is about this Hotline ZF8313 flashlight. This thing is fantastic. I've had it for a couple weeks now. I wanted to show you some things I really like about it. So this is the Hotline ZF8313 flashlight. This flashlight is 2000 lumens. It goes from 120 to 2000 lumens. And it has two light sources. What I mean by that is there's a light up here in the front, and then there's one here on the side. Try not to blast you too much. And it has blue light. Also has an ultraviolet light. It also has a glow-in-the-dark little ring that lights up. So this thing is rechargeable. It's 2000 milliamp battery, Type C fast charging port, which charges in about 2 hours.
Amazing.
Which is pretty nice. I have been using this thing at my work. I had been using the Woobin X4, I think, and when I got this one, now Hotline did reach out to me and they did send this to me free of charge. Dang. But they're not telling me what to say or anything like that, not giving me any kind of stipulations of what I have. I will always give you my honest opinion. So this is, like I said, it's got a dual light source. It has a light here in the front and a light here on top, which is pretty cool. Now the beam goes for 144 meters, which is pretty far.
It's totally awesome.
And this thing is great for a lot of different, camping, a lot of different things, but it's really good for tradesmen or maintenance guys. Like I said, I've been using this. It's a little scuffed up. It comes with a magnetic base, which is here on the bottom. If you want to turn it on, and then I just blinded myself.
It was a freak accident. The light got in my eyes.
And stick it to the cabinet and have it go down like that on something you're working on below it. This was really nice. And of course you have the RGB lighting as well. Now I've got a spot where I'm looking at the camera. So this has full color RGBs with 4 lighting effects. What I mean by that is when you turn this on, you can see the different effects, and you hit it once and it'll go like do different colors and does different effects. And the blue, and it does like a scrolling, and it goes red. And then you got this is the ultraviolet light. So if you want to look at a dollar bill, I don't have any dollar bills on me, or if you want to check something and see if there's any kind of substance on something that you can't see, they got the ultraviolet light, which is pretty cool. So like I said, it just got different colors, different 4 different effects. It's pretty neat. I think one of them goes from red to blue. It'll switch and go to green, go to blue, goes to all the different colors, so you get the idea. So it does have a belt clip on the side. So this is the body of this thing is made of a thick aluminum alloy, and it's got a metal clip on the back too, which is actually screwed on. So if you want to, at some point, if you want to put something, maybe if they come out with a different kind of belt clip, you can put that on there, take this one off and put another one on. I have not seen anything like that. Like I said, it does come with the belt clip. Now this thing is IPX6 rated for harsh environments, can withstand, rainstorms, stuff like that, especially things like construction site. I've been using this. I clip it on my tool pouch. I actually had my tool pouch right here, and this is the Tough Build electrician's pouch. I've been kind of putting it on like that and been using it like that, and then it just slides on and off the front. And you can see I've been using the Woobin X4 as well, but I wanted to try this. Actually, this Hotline is a little bit more versatile than the other one. What's really nice about the UV light source, got the UV light source, so you can detect marking identifications like I said, on dollar bills and stuff like that. So this thing measures 4.53 inches by 0.63 inches by 1.77 inches. So it's about the size of the palm of your hand. It's pretty thin, about a half inch a little over a 1/2 inch thick, so it's not too bad. Now, this thing is running about 4.7 stars on Amazon. We're in October of 2025 right now. This thing is running $42.99, and it does have a coupon where you can get it at $32. Charging port is here on the side, so you can see that. It's really, really cool. So to give you an idea how bright this is the low high setting, and this is in the garage with the lights on. Let me turn the lights off. This is in my garage with the lights off, and this is the front light here in front. And then let me turn that one off, and you see how dark it is in here. This is the round floodlight on the end. You can see that. It gives you much more light, 2000 lumens. You can turn this one down by holding it, and then it'll blink. When it gets up to the highest setting, it'll blink again. So this is the highest setting. That's the lowest setting. So RGB. So if you want to go out and walk, do some walking, kind of shows you it changes from blue. It's kind of different. And just by hitting this button once. Ooh, blinded myself. Just a really cool, and this is glow in the dark. That's pretty awesome. Seems like a really, really good light. And one thing I really like about this is the magnetic capabilities. Hope you're getting good value out of this video. If you are, please go down there and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. You get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and Area 2. I'm back at you.
I'll be back.